All right, let's continue our work with ActiveX controls here in a RoboHelp project. But just before we insert one, there's a few things you should know. For example, ActiveX controls work exclusively in browsers that support ActiveX technology. Also, you should know that RoboHelp includes several ActiveX controls for HTML help functionality, like link controls and help controls. Some ActiveX controls are actually included with projects, like controls for creating table of contents, index, and full text search. Others you'll have to go out and find, register them before you can use them. So we're going to focus on ones that are included. And we're going to continue working with our How to Use LDC Controls project here. Let's say we want to add a new topic. We'll right-click Getting Started in the table of contents, go down to New, and choose Topic. Now we'll give our topic title a name here. Let's call it a training calendar. So we're going to set up a page here with a training calendar. And one of the things on this page will be a control where people can select dates. So we'll just accept all the defaults, click OK. There's our new topic. We can double click it in the table of contents to view it over here in the design editor. It's just a title and some placeholder text. So let's just click and drag over that placeholder text and replace it with our own. Let's type in select a date, and we'll hit enter a couple of times, and this is where our control is going to go. To insert it, we go to the insert menu, down to HTML, across and down to advanced, and from here we're going to choose ActiveX control. Now check it out, there's quite a few included here, a very long list of controls, including those that we would use for creating our table of contents, our indexes, etc. But lots of other ones that will work with forms, for example, Microsoft Office controls, Outlook. The one we want is near the top, and it is our calendar control. So we'll select it and click OK. And we have our control. It just says ActiveX control there. So let's see what that looks like. Save our changes. Let's preview it with Control W. And look at that. That's what our topic looks like so far. Select a date. We have our control where we can actually select dates from the calendar. We can change the month. We can change the year and select dates along the way. So that's the beginnings of our control. We'll just close that up, and you can see what it looks like here on the topic. It's just a placeholder that says ActiveX control. Of course, there's a number of things we can do to customize our controls and edit their properties. We'll talk about that next.